Sanibonani, my grade 3s. I hope you guys are well. I miss you so much. Ngiyathemba ukuthi nisaphila kahle nonke. Namhlanje sizobuyekeza ukubingelela ngesiZulu. Today we are going to revise greeting in Zulu. I hope you still remember that when you are greeting one person, it is not the same as when you are greeting a group of people. When you are greeting one person, you say Sawubona, and then when you are greeting a group of people, you say Sanibonani. Now you want to say how are you? You say Unjani. It means how are you to one person. Ninjani. It means how are you to a group of people. Ngiyaphila. I am fine. Siyaphila. We are fine. Ngiyabonga. I thank you. Siyabonga. We thank you. I hope you won't forget that. So now I am going to teach you a greeting song. A greeting song, it is about learners who are greeting the teacher. Okay. The song, it goes like this. Ngizocula. You just need to listen to the words and then later on you can join me. Okay. The song, it says Sanibonani bafundi, sanibonani bafundi, sanibonani bafundi. Sawubona teacher, sawubona teacher, sawubona teacher. Ninjani bafundi, ninjani bafundi, ninjani bafundi. Siyaphila teacher, siyaphila teacher, siyaphila teacher. Ngiyabonga bafundi, ngiyabonga bafundi, ngiyabonga bafundi. Siyabonga teacher, siyabonga teacher, siyabonga teacher. Well done. That's it for our song. I am going to see you again next week, Thursday. Ngizonibona ngolwesine. Salani kahle. What do you say? I can't hear you. Salani kahle. Ngiyabonga.